Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by equipping a light source and one healing potion, then confirm the map fragment lines up with Doodle Ridge. Move north-northeast following wind glyphs on trees. These glyphs are placed to guide you toward Maelzuri's domain. As you travel, listen for 3 distinct chirps. Each chirp means you're within half the distance left. Once you hear the blue sparkle sound, slow your pace and scan nearby rock faces. Maelzuri hides near reflective surfaces for camouflage. Once done with the initial approach, switch to slow stepping to avoid startling Maelzuri. Move at roughly 0.5x normal speed and crouch when you cross stream beds. Make sure to scan reflective surfaces and shadow pools every 10 meters because Maelzuri prefers reflective concealment. If your map fragment drifts off course, rotate your heading by up to 15 degrees to realign with wind glyph clusters. Keep your light low and pulse it briefly. Repeated short pulses reveal subtle shimmer patterns without scaring the creature. When you arrive within 5 meters, reduce noise and issue a gentle call, one clear tone, because Maelzuri responds to calm audio cues rather than movement. Make sure to place the trap lure on the most reflective surface you found and step back. The lure attracts attention while the reflection masks your silhouette. After Maelzuri appears, approach slowly to complete interaction. Avoid chasing. If things go wrong, backtrack to the last visible wind glyph, reset your heading, and repeat slow stepping to regain proximity without spooking it.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.